inside you.
Hey guys, and welcome to What's Inside. This time we're gonna check out what's inside this cheeky baby monkey. So no further words, no further introductions. Okay. And if I hold her like this, she's spinning round and round. Okay, take a look. The monkey is on off, and if I do this, look. What happens?
Looks like we can convert movement into electricity, not just electricity into movement. This is the same principle for the aeolian energy or hydro energy, where wind or water are used to rotate wheels, turbines, and electricity is created.
Now let's check it out. And moment of the truth. Okay, this cheeky monkey. Okay. So this is it inside the cheeky monkey. Now let's turn it on and see how she moves. Woo!
If something has an electric part that moves, it usually has a motor.
What do you say that we go on and take it apart even more? Looks like I can't open this because it is kind of glued here, and this prevents me from opening it.
What have we learned from this clip? First, we know that we can create electricity from movement. And second, we know how a basic electric motor works, involving two magnets. Yay! Now you know!
Now let's see if the monkey survived. Wires, I hope I won't break any of them. And she should slide here. The moment when everything slides in place. Let's check to see if it works. It works. Okay, guys, you may ground me. I will put the screws after. So, what have we learned here? Not much. We have seen electric motors, we have seen wires, we have seen crazy cheeky monkey.
This clip was made at the request of Rocco Bocco Test.
Comment, and your comment may be featured in the next one. Guys, I'm waiting for your requests. See you in the next clip. Thank you for watching.